Hey guys, thanks for joining in today. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video about a PC I built, and I considered this a balanced build because I feel the parts were powerful, but not obviously too expensive and obviously very high-end parts, but they were decent parts. And I didn't feel I skimped on any of the parts. The total did come out to about $1,000, and I felt that this was a pretty balanced build. So today I wanted to make a video recording some gameplay footage of different games with the frame rates on the top left. So you have a reference point to think about. If you want to build a computer, at least this can be a reference for the parts that you want to build for your next build. Or if you already have a computer, this could be a reference for the parts you want to change out to get the most out of your computer. So I have some games to record today. I do have a 2K monitor. So this is 2560 by 1440, which is more than Full HD, which is 1080. So just because this is a reference video, I wanted to record both resolutions. So I'm going to record the 1080p resolution of the same game and a 2K version of the same game. So this will give you an idea of what to expect. Obviously, having 2K is pushing on more resolution. It's going to reduce the frame rates per second, but it wasn't as much as I expected. It's not huge significance. So in the end of the day, I still do play with the 2K resolution, and I prefer having higher res just because I like sharp images. But it's not that big of a difference, I would say. It's about 10 frames per second less on some of the games. So that's what I expected. I have a 60 Hertz monitor, so if it's about 60 frames per second, I'm pretty content, and I'm going to play a 2K at 60 frames per second. Okay, so what's inside the computer I built? Just a really quick recap. It is a i5 7500. It's a quad-core Kaby Lake CPU. It's rated at 3.4 gigahertz, and it does turbo boost to 3.8. I have 16 gigabytes of DDR4 2400 memory, and I have an MSI Gaming X GTX 1060 6GB graphic card. So these are the parts I have in my computer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me again.